Let's talk to Liam Kotrie, Director of Mary Monson Solicitors. He's going to talk to us about the Crown Court backlog in England and Wales, which is now reaching epidemic proportions, 75,000 cases by the end of 2024, which is up 11% from the previous year. This is research from the Institute for Fiscal Studies. Liam, very good morning to you, sir.
Morning, mate.
Good to talk to you. The backlog in the courts in this country has been going on for quite some time. I talk to lawyers quite a lot about this, and it's a real problem, isn't it?
A huge problem. We're talking about very much pre-COVID times. Occasionally we hear the politicians talk about COVID or barrister strikes and things like that. The reality, this has been going well before 2016. 2016, we're at 40,000. It's a failure of successive governments to invest properly in the criminal justice system, whether it's the police, Crown Prosecution Service being overstretched, legal aid not being accessible to regular people, courts, literally buildings falling apart around us. It's a real disgrace, and it will take a generation to fix.
Yeah, I mean, I'm told that an awful lot of Crown courts don't even sit anymore because there simply aren't enough judges, not enough lawyers, not enough personnel to just actually open them.
And it's completely true. I'm in those buildings all the time. That locked large rooms where there's no lawyers working, cases aren't going on, there aren't enough judges being trained. Frankly, they're probably not paid enough to be attracted to the role. Not enough barristers to cover the backlog. I can't get my barrister of choice for love or money at the moment. It's just an impossible situation.
Right. And so, is the answer to train more barristers? Is the answer to simply put more money into the system? What's the answer?
Well, I'm afraid it is that age-old answer. It's more money required, proper investment, proper education, and attract people to the industry. Again, I'm not just talking about defence lawyers like me. I'm talking about police. I'm talking about Crown prosecutors, barristers. It's really important to make the job attractive. Loads of people do it just for the love of defending people or being part of the criminal justice system, and that's great that they do. But to get everyone involved who would be interested, no matter what, people need to be paid properly, and people are frankly underpaid at the moment. It's not that it's just not very attractive. People are underpaid in this industry now.
And presumably the result of all this is that people who are charged with various crimes, which are Crown Court, sort of cases, they have to wait a very long time before they actually get their case in court.
Well, Mike, I'm grateful that you're thinking of my clients, and of course, my clients sometimes wait years for a trial, years on bail, a couple of years until a trial comes along. And the common example is a rape trial. But then on the other side, you've got the alleged victims of these cases, and if those people have had one of the worst things happen to them that could happen, and they have to wait years for a trial to get in, and then for some reason that court building's falling apart or there's no judge available, they have to wait another year, and often those people don't even continue. A trial doesn't take place. So rapists are definitely getting away with it because of these delays. Now, of course, many people just haven't committed the crime, but you don't have a trial to find out what's happened. It's really awful.
It is dreadful, absolutely dreadful. Liam, listen, thanks for pointing it out to us. Liam Kotrie, Director of Mary Monson Solicitors there, telling us all about how terrible the state of our justice system actually is. And that, the nitty-gritty of all of that is when you get right down to it, never mind what we talk about the police not doing or the prison service not doing, but in between that, the actual court system is failing as well.